There it goes. There it goes. Go get it. What's the word? What's the word? There goes Tevin. Okay. Hey, bam him, bam him. Oh, there you go. Keep going. You
Go, nature coach.
Oh, watch my dog Tevin run it again. This morning in second period. Uh-oh.
Yeah!
Oh, shit!
I know, right? We can talk about anything. Hey, I like that. You can hear that. I'm just kidding.
Gotta pass my FCAT or my ACTs. Yo, you got Byrd! Bam!
Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
What do you mean it's medium? He goes, we're between a small and a medium, a medium. He walked away, I was like, what the fuck? It's a medium. Hey, mine's bigger. Change every. No,
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Yeah, Brio, you can come get your nails done and toes done. Oh, shit! When I do spit, somebody's gonna walk out from my what?
It's rain, don't listen.
That was something, right?
Yeah. Hey,
Yep. I just haven't gotten one. See, it says like LOL, and I was just like, oh my god.
Oh, there you go, Ike. Now Ike catches the ball, finally. Yes! Jamel! He's very white too. These are the kids that normally hate. He's into it too, bro. Look. That man's into it.
Score! Did they just say score? Yeah, mother's nipple.
Oh!